Right now, there are hundreds of digital products you could sell, but with so many options, which ones are actually worth your time? Well, I've actually been selling digital products for the past 6 years, and I've helped hundreds of people do the same. And after testing dozens of options, I know which ones are actually worth building. That's why in this video, I'm breaking down the 7 most profitable digital products that you can sell going into 2026. Obviously, without needing followers, any special skills, or months of work. And just before we proceed, I want to let you know I have a completely free live masterclass coming up. I'd love for you to join it. Link is in the description. You'll be able to connect with me and learn from me and ask me questions. It's going to be super fun. So we're going to start with the most beginner-friendly digital product options and then work our way up to the most profitable ones. So starting with the first one, we have niche guides and ebooks. This is basically just a mini PDF file helping someone solve a problem. Now, ebooks and guides sell really well, but only when you get really specific. For example, you can't just sell something called how to invest your money. You have to tailor it and say something like stock market investing for complete beginners 2026 guide. So when I first started selling digital products online, I made my first 6 figures selling a $97 guide on investing. This was in 2020 and 2021. And the reason it sold well was because I was targeting beginners, which made them feel like this guide was exactly for them. However, at the time, I spent weeks researching and writing everything myself, but now tools like ChatGPT can handle most of the writing, which means you can build something profitable within a week. Here's how. So first, head on to ChatGPT and just ask it to help you come up with a profitable mini guide or ebook based on your niche. Then you can ask it to outline the entire mini guide or ebook for you, including all the lessons. Once you have that all done, you can head over to Canva and then come to Canva AI and then just input the entire guide that ChatGPT made for you and ask Canva AI to turn this into like a mini guide presentation. And you'd be surprised, but it can create the entire thing for you in just minutes. Finally, when you're done, you can download it as a PDF, and just like that, you've created a professional mini guide or ebook in under an hour that you can sell for $27 to $97. Now, once it's ready, you can sell it on platforms like Gumroad, StanStore, which makes the delivery very easy. Now, next up, we have sales page templates. This is basically one of the easiest digital products you can create because every single person selling something online needs one. If you're selling a course, an ebook, a coaching program, or even like a simple digital file, you need a clean sales page to make sales. The problem is most beginners have no idea how to design one from scratch. They'll either hire a designer and spend hundreds or even try to learn it themselves and waste days watching tutorials. This is why sales page templates sell so well, because people want something they can open, edit, and launch instantly. And this is where you can come in and start creating them. Now, to start this, I'd go on Etsy first and search sales page and then look through to see which ones have the highest rating and are the most popular. Then once you have about maybe 3 to 5 different links of popular sales templates on Etsy, you can paste them all into ChatGPT and then ask it to create one for you based on these popular ones. But of course, still make it original. And the exact ChatGPT prompt you can use is write a sales page for a product that helps a specific audience get a specific result, and please reference these popular sales page templates for how to make mine. Then ChatGPT gives you the headline, the benefits, the features, and the call to action buttons, all the text you need pretty much. Then you can head over to Canva and paste everything ChatGPT gave you into the Canva AI section and just simply ask it to create a sales page template based on the following info, and it can generate the entire layout for you in seconds. It will place the headline at the top, it will create a benefits section, and it will add space for testimonials and a big buy now button. You can adjust the colors and images if you want to, but Canva does most of the work for you. Literally, it designs the entire sales page template. Now, once a template is ready, you can package it with simple setup instructions so your buyers know exactly how to customize it, which you can make with ChatGPT, of course. Then you upload it somewhere, you can sell it. If you already have an audience, your StanStore is perfect. But if you want organic traffic for free, Etsy is even better. People go on Etsy every day searching for templates, so you can upload the same digital product to both Etsy and StanStore and start making sales. Most sellers list these for $19 to $197, so look at the pricing on Etsy and make yours similar. And once it is uploaded, it becomes completely passive. People buy it download it and customize it on their own, this is one of the easiest digital products to start with because it gives you two things: a simple product that is easy to create, a huge audience of buyers on Etsy that will buy from you. Now, the next digital product you can sell is live workshops. See, a workshop is basically a 1 to 2 hour live class where you teach one specific topic in a group format. For example, that could be how to get your first 1,000 followers on Instagram. And the reason these work so well is simple. People are willing to pay more for live access than like recorded content. They get to talk to you live, ask questions in real time and feel like they're a part of a community. And the best part is that they're insanely easy to create. You just have to first pick a specific topic like how to get 1,000 followers on Instagram in 30 days, then create 20 to 30 slides on Canva teaching your method. Break it down into clear steps like the problem, your method, and what they need to do to solve it. And now I feel like this is where people mess up. They try to teach too much and end up confusing everyone. So just keep it simple. Solve one problem, give one solution, and tell them exactly what to do next. And once it's ready, you can literally host it on Zoom or Google Meets and sell tickets on Stand Store or Gumroad, anywhere from like $47 to like $500. I actually did my first live workshop this year and I sold tickets for under $50, and it was a huge success. Over 1,000 people bought tickets and everyone loved it. So I do think this digital product is worth looking into, and I really do think that, a lot of people enjoy it. So now I know a lot of you are probably watching this and thinking, okay, this all sounds great, but I have no idea which digital product to actually start with. I don't know what to sell, how to price it, or even how to build it. That's exactly why I've recently opened the doors to my mentorship group, where I personally help you pick the right product, build it from scratch, and make your first sale as soon as possible. I've helped dozens of students go from zero to consistent monthly sales, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So if you're interested, just click the link below to join my mentorship group, and I can't wait to see you inside. Now, the next digital product we have is custom GPTs. With how fast AI is improving, it's changing pretty much every single industry. But the problem is most people don't know how to actually use AI to get results they want. They would have to spend hours figuring out the right prompts and testing what works instead of actually making them do all that work. You can sell them a custom GPT that's already set up to basically solve their exact problem. A custom GPT is ChatGPT that is already programmed to give answers specific to their exact problem, which means instead of, getting generic responses, they're getting advice that actually fits their situation. Some examples include the content planner GPT, so they can plan 30 days of posts in 10 minutes. Maybe like a fitness coach GPT, so like auto create tailored workouts and meal plans. Maybe even a relationship GPT to give personalized relationship advice based on your situation. And the setup process is surprisingly simple. You just first have to go to chat.openai.com and click create a project. Then tell AI its exact role. For example, you are a digital product strategist that helps creators come up with profitable product ideas based on their skills, audience, and niche. After that, give it a few example prompts so it knows what kind of questions to expect, like I'm a content creator in the finance space, give me 5 digital product ideas I can sell for under $100. And then lastly, of course, you just want to test it out. Just ask it a few questions to make sure it's giving you good answers. If something's off, just go back and tweak the instructions. And once it's working well, you can sell access on Gumroad, Stand Store, or even Etsy for like $99 to $200. And I think this is very profitable. The next digital product we have is micro courses. You probably heard that you need to create some massive 20-hour course to make real money, but you really don't, because most people never finish those long courses anyway. They just want the solution to their problem as fast as possible. And that's where micro courses come in. They're just short, like 1 to 2 hour training sessions that solve one specific problem. And because they're short and affordable, they work perfect as an impulse buy. A few examples include, Stand Store Setup Masterclass, start from 0 to selling in 2 hours, the beginner's guide to selling digital products 0 to 1K, and they're pretty simple to build. And here's how you do it. So first, choose one specific result people would love to pay for. This could be anything like how to sell your first digital product or how to launch your Stand Store in 1 weekend. Next, outline 3 to 5 short lessons, each maybe 5 to 15 minutes long. Now here's where most people kind of overcomplicate this. They try to teach everything instead of focusing on one clear outcome. So break it down into steps that build on each other. For example, if you're teaching sell your first digital product, your lessons might be lesson 1, pick your product idea. Lesson 2, create it in under 2 hours. Lesson 3, set up your store. Lesson 4, price it to sell. Lesson 5, get your first sale. And the thing is, ChatGPT can pretty much outline the entire thing for you, along with all the lessons and chapters. But of course, you need to add your own, personal touch to it as well. Then you can design the slideshow in Canva and record using Loom and sell it on Gumroad or Stan Store or even Etsy, and you're all done. And once it's live, you can probably charge anywhere from like $27 to $97. Now, the next digital product you can sell is a Notion planner. Notion is a free all-in-one workspace where people can organize their life, their goals, their tasks, and their projects. Think of it kind of like a digital notebook that you can fully customize with calendars, trackers, and dashboards. A Notion planner is just simply a pre-built template inside Notion that helps someone, stay organized without having to build the system. And people really love this because it makes their life feel clean, aesthetic, and structured. You can make a content planner for creators, a project tracker for freelancers, or a goal-setting system for students. And I promise you, people will definitely pay anywhere from $20 to $50 for this to be created for them if it helps them organize their life. So here's how to create one. So start by choosing one specific problem your planner will solve. It could, be a weekly content planner for YouTubers, client tracker for freelancers, or a habit tracker for people improving their routine. Next, head to ChatGPT and ask it to create the structure for you. Type something like create a Notion database structure for a weekly content planner with columns for video ideas, deadlines, and status. And it'll give you the exact setup you need. Then open Notion and follow ChatGPT's instructions to build it out. It'll tell you exactly what to create, like a calendar view for deadlines, a task list for to-dos, and a database for video ideas. And once it's built, you can turn it into a template by clicking share and selecting duplicate as template. Finally, you can sell it on Etsy or Stan Store for anywhere from like $20 to $50. And finally, the number one digital product I recommend selling right now is group coaching. This is where you coach maybe 10 to 15 people at the same time, all kind of working towards the same goal. For example, you might run like an 8-week program helping people launch their first digital product, and everyone goes through the process together. Now, here's what makes these so profitable. You're basically getting paid by multiple people for the same hour. So instead of like 5 separate calls per week, you do one group call and serve everyone at once, which means you can make more in a month without working twice as hard. But here's the catch: if you try to coach too many people at once, no one gets real help and your program falls apart. So try to keep your groups small and give them a clear structure to follow. Now, here's how you can set this program up. You'll start by picking one specific outcome you can help people achieve in just maybe 8 to 12 weeks, like making their first $1,000 with digital products or building a profitable Stan Store. Then you'll set up weekly group calls, 60 to 90 minutes, where you teach, answer questions, and coach them through the process. And between calls, you'll give them access to a private Discord for support and accountability. And the best part is that these programs typically sell for $2,000 to $10,000 per person, which means instead of you making $2,000 coaching one person, you're making $20,000 to $50,000 coaching 10 people in the same amount of time. Now, you know the most profitable digital products that you can sell going into 2026. And if you made it this far in the video, you're probably serious about the stuff, but with obviously so many options, you probably don't know what to start with or where to begin. So of course, if you'd like my personal guidance on which product to build and how to get your first sale, you can join my coaching group. I've helped dozens of students reach their first sale and beyond, and I'd love to do the same for you.